Good morning, class. Today I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to create some really good looking graphs for you to use for your papers and reports for this class. I know that many of you love to use color when you're creating charts and graphs, but unless you're printing in color, it's very hard for people to distinguish the differences between your different sections of your charts and graphs. So therefore, you really need to use black and white and different levels of grayscale colors. So I've put in some basic information in, and I'm using Google Docs, the spreadsheet function. So I have a spreadsheet and I just set up some basic numbers. For example, perhaps these are grades for a class or final grades for a class. And I've put in a quantity. So in Google Docs, in the spreadsheet form, I'm going to select the columns which contain the grades and the number of each grades that were assigned. There's a little chart feature here, and it says Insert Chart, and I'm going to click on it. And now I see what my chart looks like, and of course this chart isn't completely finished. It's missing a few things, but for the purposes of this demonstration, I just wanted to show you how to change your chart or graph into different shades of gray in grayscale. So in the chart editor, I'm going to click on Customize. And of course you can put a title, legend, all of that, but right now we're just dealing with changing the colors. So I've scrolled down and I see where it says slices. So for the section labeled A, you see it's in blue, but I want that in a deeper shade of gray. So I'm going to click the color box here, and I'm going to select one of these shades of gray. This is going to look really good when you print it out. And just keep doing that for all the different pieces of your, or slices of your chart. So section B, we're going to pick, let's say, just a wee bit lighter. And you can now tell the difference. When you print this, like I said, it's going to look great. In section C, we got to select the color. So we'll go with a wee bit lighter gray. And you can tell there's a difference between these two shades. And for this big chunk over here, I'm going to select it. And we'll just go ahead and make that really dark. So now you can see the difference. You can still read the numbers, and of course you have your legend over here. That's all there is to it. That's all I'm going to show you right now for changing your chart colors. Actually, let me show you one more thing. I'm going to click Insert. And now what it did, the Google Docs spreadsheet portion of the program, it let me put the chart that I just created back into my document. And if I click anywhere in the area, there's this little pull down menu. So I can now go back and edit this chart, delete it, save it, save the image, which is going to be really important to you guys, because you typically need to save an image to insert into your paper. Or do you want to publish it, copy it, or move it to its own sheet? So I'm going to click Save Image, and what it did was it saved it to my desktop. So I'll go retrieve it later. And that's all there is to it. So I hope you've enjoyed this short little video on how to create charts and graphs in something other than color, in different shades of gray. Okay? Have a good day, everybody. Thanks for watching.